In this video, we will learn how we can extract minimum and maximum values from a dictionary. Now, minimum and maximum will be applied both on keys and values as well. So, to get that one, we will create a dummy dictionary that will have key value pairs. Based on that, we will extract minimum and maximum values. So, let's create a dummy dictionary. So, I will give a markdown. So, that will be getting min and max from a dictionary. Okay, now I will create a dictionary that will have car and its engine power, or you can say engine volume in cc. So let's say engine cc, it is a dictionary. So let's say we have a car brand whose name is Zolo, and its engine power is, or engine capacity is 1500 cc. Next we have Audi, and its engine capacity is 2500 cc. And we have another car, that is Fortuner, that has 3000 cc. We have famous car called Honda Civic. Let's say it has around 1300 cc. Now these are all imaginary car engine powers, so don't relate with the actual engines. Once we have our dummy dictionary ready, now we will zip the key value pairs. First we will use zip function. Inside zip we will take this cars and engines, car engine cc dot values. Then we will have another argument, because zip always zips two separate entities. So car engine dot keys. Okay, now if we zip it, it will give an object. It will be values. So once we zip it, it will give an object of zip type. Now to get the maximum, we will use the max function, and it will take this whole zip function as an argument, and you will get the highest or the largest car with the engine cc. Now one thing to remember, if we want the highest value of key value pairs, then first we will keep the value, then in the second argument it will be the keys. Similarly, if we want to get the maximum of values, then we will have, if we want to have the maximum of keys, which key is the largest, then first we will keep key, then we will keep the values, and this will be max. And you will see Zolo will come because it is Z, and Z has the maximum ASCII value. Dict has no value keys, it will be keys, sorry. Okay, Zolo came first because Z has the highest ASCII value. Now similarly we can use the min function as well to get the minimum of the key. So Audi will come first because A has the least ASCII value. Similarly we can use minimum here as well to get the minimum value from the key value pairs. So in our case, Civic had the least engine value. So this is how we can extract the min max values of key.